Essex and Suffolk Water welcomed the Vice President of the European Investment Bank to Abberton Reservoir. The EIB has already invested more than £350 million in Northumbrian Water Group, with £60 million of that being spent on the Abberton scheme and securing drinking water supplies for more than 1.5 million customers in Essex.
What do you think of the Abberton project?
I think it's a fantastic project. I've been really impressed with the way in which the work is coming on, the way in which the environmental aspects of it are being fully protected and preserved. It's a fantastic facility and it's a fantastic amenity, and I think it's really impressive.
The visit to the Abberton scheme marked the signing of an additional £50 million of funding to support the water company's major investment programme. The project to enlarge the reservoir to hold an additional 15 billion litres of water is the country's first major reservoir development in more than 30 years and one of the UK's biggest current civil engineering projects. Heidi Mottram, Chief Executive of Northumbrian Water Group, the parent company of Essex and Suffolk Water, met the European delegation.
All this machinery, all these assets, all need to be kept up to tip-top quality and replaced on a regular basis over a long period of time. So what's been really good about the backing that the EIB has given us is that they're able to give us, financial backing for long periods of time, giving us the stability so we can plan, because water industry is a 25-30 year planning industry. We can plan what we need to do in the security of knowing that we've got the funds available to do that.
We've been involved in a number of projects with Northumbrian Water Group, and this is part of that. This is the latest tranche, as it were, of the financing which we're providing, and we're very happy to be involved.
And we're talking quite big numbers, aren't we?
We're talking very big numbers. The tranche which I'm signing the latest bit off on today is for £50 million, which is the third tranche of a £150 million loan. So this is big stuff.
This has been a project that's been planned for many years. We've been looking at the cycle of investment that's going to be needed to support the population growth in Essex, and this kind of project really does take substantial funds, and the kind of backing that the EIB is able to give us has allowed this project to go ahead.
The funds secured from the European Investment Bank have helped to deliver Northumbrian Water Group's 5-year programme, spending an average of £250 million on essential improvements each year from 2010 to 2015. A total of £1.2 billion over the 5-year period, directly benefiting customers in the UK, in Essex and Suffolk and the North East of England.